And here it is, my special spicy fish curry. The aroma is just incredible. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a delicious fish curry. Here are all our fresh ingredients perfectly arranged and ready to go. First, mustard seeds. Now, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. That smells wonderful. Almost ready. In go the fresh curry leaves. Whoa, what a splash! Perfect aroma. Adding some green chilies for a kick. That smells amazing.
A little red chili powder for some heat. And now some coriander powder. A little turmeric for color.
Gently now. Perfect. One more. And here it is, my finished fish curry. It looks and smells absolutely delicious.